I'm the sales director of Ozone Group Phuket, and we have actually three condominium projects in the same location and a villa project. The two phases of the condominium is already finished, and we already start the handover process of the two condominium phases. And 50 villas in the same area. We already handed over more than 20 villas, and 70% of the villas are already occupied by the owner or the tenants. And at the moment, we are having a close cooperation with your company, Etaji Phuket. We are mostly selling the third phase, which is Ozone Signature Condominium. And at the moment, you can directly contact the Etaji Phuket to get a very attractive price. It's quite spacious area, not like the other project. When you go out from the project in any phase or at a villa, you're just still inside the private zone. Means you can do jogging around, you can take your kids safely to walk around. There's a kids playground, outdoor and indoor, a tennis court, jogging track and garden areas and clubhouses and restaurant spaces. So it's not only offering a standard facilities like a swimming pool and gym. It's like a all-inclusive project in Phuket Island, and only 2 kilometers away from the Bang Tao Beach, and about 15 to 20 minutes drive from the Phuket International Airport. It is not only the condominium project. We have a hotel project in the same location, and possibly just approximately, let's say, mid of 2027, 118 rooms for a hotel project will be ready to hand over. We are not selling this project to individual buyers. It will be managed by Wyndham Hotels and Resorts under the upscale brand registry Collection Hotels. And having this hotel on site, giving some opportunities to the owners of the condominiums and the villas as well. They can come and use the facilities of the hotel, such as the two fine dining restaurants, spa and massage facilities, swimming pool, etc. However, there will be some packages to bear, and they can come and enjoy the facilities of the hotel as well. It's just right in front of us. Yeah. And just right next to it, it is the face to the Ozone Oasis condominium, where you will see all the spacious facilities. Another project developer probably will put another condominium building here. For the owners to come and use and take some breath actually. Spacious area. This building offers a gym and swimming pool in the second phase in particular. This is a clubhouse building with another swimming pool in front of it, and some seating areas, gardens will be provided, jogging track around the tennis court and the kids playground here. This project will be handed over to the clients March 2026. So about 2 months.